What's up, Jay? This is O'Nate Chapman from Tupelo, Mississippi. Man, when I heard about your competition, I had to enter because your videos helped me get off of an $8 job, $8 hour job, able to launch my own business and just change my mindset. So a little bit about me. I moved from Atlanta, Georgia back to Tupelo, Mississippi, and man, found myself in the dumps of a dead-end job. But every single day I watched your videos about mindset. When I first came across your video talking about a former drug trafficker, now turned real estate millionaire, instantly caught my attention because of my background. I was born to 14-year-old parents, but was able to get out and able to go to college and make something of myself. So every day I watch your videos and it just helped me to change my very mindset. And man, I did not only just watch the videos, I actually went out and took action. So I left that job, started my own educational consulting company, speaking to young teens every single week and trying to help them also to empower their mind. Man, look at this. The proof is in the pudding, man. I actually got proof. This is one of my checks. Speaking at a school, this is a $3,400 check, speaking at a school. This is another one. Another school up the block, $3,000 check. This is another one, speaking at a local middle school, $750. This is another one, speaking at a local high school. One of these checks is for $2,300. One is for $1,150. But it don't stop there. Got another one, $3,400. All because of changing my mindset, watching your videos. But not only that, man, in 2 months, I wrote 8 books. In 2 months, I was able to write 8 books that I now use whenever I'm in schools. So check this out. Change your mindset, change your life, grades, and behavior. Bring your A game, strategies and techniques to help take tests and make it an easy A. I'm a game changer. The 5 keys of becoming a highly successful team. The No Bully Zone, my other book. Also, Mr. Chapman's book on decision making. Just had a district call us. They want 1,000 of these books. 1,000 of these books. All from watching your videos and changing my very mindset. And last but not least, I created my own course to help people that want to become writers, how to create their own books, get self-published, and sell their books online and also in person. So I want to wrap up by saying thank you for allowing me to enter this contest. Keep doing what you're doing. You changed my very mindset. Thank you, man. God bless.